Looking for a reliable spray bottle that won't leak, dribble, or disappoint? The 16 ounces spray bottles set offers exactly that: durability, versatility, and ease of use, all wrapped in a vibrant, eye-catching design. Whether you're tackling household cleaning, watering plants, or styling hair, these bottles deliver a smooth, fine mist every time. I started using these bottles to care for my indoor plants, especially my orchids. The adjustable nozzle lets me switch effortlessly between a gentle mist and a steady stream, which is perfect depending on the plant's needs. Plus, the tight seal means no spills or leaks, even when stored sideways. The comfortable grip and easy trigger design make spraying feel natural, so it's never a hassle, even during frequent use. Beyond gardening, these bottles shine in other areas too. They're ideal for mixing and applying homemade cleaning solutions, blending essential oils, or refreshing your hair at home or in a salon setting. Pet owners will appreciate how well they work for training and misting pets without causing stress. With included funnels and labels, organizing and refilling your sprays is simple and mess-free. If you're tired of flimsy spray bottles that leak or break, this set offers a practical upgrade. The 500 ml size strikes a perfect balance, large enough to hold plenty of solution, yet compact enough to carry or store easily. The colorful bottles also add a fun touch to your cleaning or gardening routine. Worth a look if you want a dependable, multi-purpose sprayer that adapts to your daily tasks. Ready to simplify your spray needs with a product that performs? Try the 16 ounces spray bottles set when you're ready. It's designed to make your life easier, cleaner, and more organized, without the frustration of leaks or awkward triggers. Whether for plants, pets, hair, or cleaning, this set covers all the bases with quality and convenience you can count on.